how you regarded certain things as strengths. अच्छा, इसको डिस्कस नहीं करना है तो मैं आगे बढ़ाना शुरू करूँ। हम लोग बेटा टाइम नहीं लगा सकते। आज पता है मुझे पूछा गया कि शुड वी और वुड वी बी एबल टू फिनिश आवर सेमेस्टर बाय 21 जून। 21 जून से पहले पहले सारा सेमेस्टर कोर्स खत्म करना है। So it is very limited number of days available with us, hardly 1.5 months, and we have limited number of classes. So now the days have started counting. तो अगर तुम लोग को डिस्कस नहीं करना है तो अगेन आई एम गुड, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, लेकिन फिर भी करोगे तो अच्छा रहेगा। दैट इज समथिंग विच इज रिक्वायर्ड आउट ऑफ यू। डिस्कस करना है नहीं करना है, यस और नो? हेलो, यस और नो बोलने में क्या जाता है? है? चलो छोड़ो, फिर जाने दो। इज दिस स्लाइड विजिबल?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
ओके फाइन। So this is a rudimentary topic, because had we have discussed short messages for health, especially for children, then this topic would have become a bit easier. But right now, let's go ahead with it. As in, none of you actually is able to discuss or communicate. So though it is a bad scene, but let's move on. I need to finish the syllabus, right? So please, would anybody try to tell me what is the need for SM in hospitals? Because it's a new entry, it's a new topic. SM was never considered part of the hospital management. Strategic management was never the part of hospital plannings, hospital strategies, hospital anything that the hospitals were doing, or healthcare industry itself at large. So SM is something which is new, and if it is new, then we need to establish the rationality of it. Whether why do we want to actually include strategic management as part of the hospital management or healthcare management? Because it is not that since it's a trend, that's why we are gonna introduce it. We are not from fashion industry, that's why we don't take anything as trend. We are from the cruelest industry, the management guys. We actually take anything and everything only on the logic that yes, it is required, it is rational, and it is the need of the hour. So if we can establish the logic of inclusion of static management in healthcare industry, then it is fine with us. Otherwise, we need to reject the topic. Okay? And you also are required to keep these points in mind for very long time to come. Because once you start your careers, then as in when your initial junior years are over for 3, 4, 5 years, then this strategic management is going to become part of your game. If you are not able to contribute strategically to the hospital's growth, then your own job would become risky. है ना? So this basically is the part, but let's try and understand how textbooks want us to show the emphasis of strategic management in healthcare industry. बताओगे या मैं आगे दिखाऊं? या नहीं बात करनी है? डोंट वांट टू टॉक?
सर थोड़ा दिखा दीजिए।
है बच्चे?
सर थोड़ा सा दिखा दीजिए।
बेटा थोड़ा सा क्या, पूरा देख ले तू। दिस इज द ओपनिंग डायलॉग। that I wanted all of you to start this discussion with, because the field is changing. Since it is changing, that's why we need to adapt constantly. And you could already have discussed this part in physical classrooms, that how and why the healthcare field is changing. So if you can remind me the areas where the changes are happening, then it is fine. If you want to bring in this recent pandemic attack on human race, then again it is gonna bring us some change which the healthcare industry needs to incorporate, right? But I just need your help in terms of identifying these changes. I have never been in a position to cram the information given to us by the textbooks. I always want to establish the logic, and this is what I want all of you to start doing. Because cramming the statement that healthcare field is changing is not a good idea. But establishing it as a fact, valid fact, verifiable fact, that yes, healthcare industry is changing, then we can move on in a solid manner. Then, so please, anybody, remind me what are the changes that the healthcare industry is experiencing. And once we are able to establish this change part, then we automatically are required to cope up with all those changes happening in the environment. So, in order to cope up with the changes, it is always better to be pre-prepared or pre ready, proactive, as you call it. We always require to be proactive. है ना? In order to remain proactive, we need to guess or assume or foresee the changes that are gonna come to us. Once we are able to foresee the changes, then we are required to make the or incorporate those changes in our industry, so that our industry in future time is better able to cope up with all those changes. And all this actually requires the analysis of environment. All this actually requires the analysis of internal strengths. And again, all those changes that are going to come to us in future would require us to strengthen our organization in such a manner that strengths are more, weaknesses are less, and strengths are actually able to cope up with the changes happening in the economy or environment. So apparently, if we only focus on the word change, then even then the relevance of strategic management healthcare industry becomes established. But still, we need to understand, is there any change happening or not? Because this is the key question, whether the change is happening or not. Because the way a common man is gonna see, the life cycle is still constant. The way it was some 100 years ago, it is same now. People take birth as a baby, people die, leave the earth as old men. People exercise multiple things during their lifetime, and in performing those activities or actions, they sometimes get hurt. So again, they would need the presence of healthcare industry at the time of their birth, presence of healthcare industry at the time when they are hurt, and presence of healthcare industry when they are about to leave the world. So this is the view of a common man, layman, who is not expert like you guys in your area. So for a common man, your industry is not changing. For a common man, there is no change happening in the environment, right? But this is a common man's view, which is not correct. All you need is to take a side, whether you want to throw some light because you are more knowledgeable, or you want to accept the common man's view. Tell me, क्या करोगे? कुछ नहीं. Anybody would like to explain me the meaning of this sentence that the textbook has given us? because the way the textbook want us to understand is that the strategy development was totally disconnected from the strategy execution. The development phase was very enthusiastic, the development phase was very pragmatic, the development phase was very, very over ambitious. But apart, in spite of developing all those policies and features, they were rarely able to execute those policies. They were rarely able to execute those strategies. So implementation phase was lagging behind. If you can help me in terms of identifying whether there was a disconnect between strategy development and execution, fine with me. नहीं करना चाहते तो इतना तो बोल दो सर नहीं बताएंगे. ये बोलने में तो कुछ नहीं जाना चाहिए ना. और मैं तो बहुत दिन से कह रहा हूँ कि सच बोलने से अच्छी प्रैक्टिस कोई है ही नहीं. एक बार सच बोल के देखो कि सर नहीं करेंगे बात, आप जो मर्जी आप बोल लो, हम नहीं बोलेंगे. उसके बाद फिर कोई दूसरी प्लान बनाऊंगा मैं तुम लोगों को पढ़ाने का. लेकिन एक बार सच बोल के तो देखो. अच्छा लगता है सच बोलने से यार, सच कह रहा हूँ. The more you speak truth, the more confident you become. The more you speak truth, the more reliable you become. The more you speak truth, the more acceptable personality you become. जो हम लोगों को बॉलीवुड मूवीज ने सिखाया है कि एनी पर्सन हु इज कनिंग, हु इज कनाइविंग, हु इज shrewd succeeds is not true. And whenever the scholars from entry level they want to enter from the after finishing their academics, they want to enter the market. It is one of the key features that the industry wants to judge. If at any point of time during the interview process, if at any point of time during the probation or training period, they are able to judge that the new employee is able to tell a lie, is able to cheat, then they actually take away the job. So practicing how to speak the truth is the best policy. और तुम बोल के देखो, एक बार कहो तो सही कि सर नहीं, आपसे बात नहीं करेंगे, नहीं बोलेंगे, नहीं पढ़ेंगे, नहीं सीखेंगे. मैं कोई और तरीका निकालूंगा. क्योंकि ये तो मुझे पता ही है कि विदाउट दिस नॉलेज द फ्यूचर इज वेरी वेरी डार्क. Without you kids starting communicating, without you kids starting displaying your knowledge, the future is very dark. And you kids have seen from a recent example, there was an offer that which was in the making, but all of you only kept quiet, only kept silent, and the offer died. Otherwise, had we had only one or two rounds of interview, even then we would have been in a position to pursue the company to give us the final answer whether they are going to take you guys or not. So keeping silence is seriously has already made one damage to your profile. Otherwise, all of you would have successfully started writing in your CV that you were selected for such and such company, and now you want better options, which again is the way of life. हम लोग दिखाते हैं कि we have passed class 10 or class 12 or graduation, then only we are able to apply for masters or PhD. If we are able to claim that we have passed class 10, then only we are going to be allowed to appear in class 12 examination. है ना? So that would have become one benchmark in all of your profiles. Anybody who would have got selected, he or she would be in a position to write down in the resume that they already have secured a job. Even in the grave pandemic situation, they were able to secure a job, which would have been a very, very big billboard of your success. क्योंकि जिसको इतने खराब माहौल में जॉब मिल जाए, वो वो कैंडिडेट अच्छे के अलावा कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता. अच्छा, बोलोगे नहीं बोलोगे इतना बोल दो, यस और नो. Anyway, key point was the strategic environment allows you to create a plan which is evolving in nature. The plan which can grow as per the environment is growing. A plan which can change as per the environment is changing. That's why strategic environment is considered to be the most important thing that is happening to the healthcare industry. Benefits are common. Anybody knows the meaning of nimble, though you all have made it very, very clear that nobody is going to speak any word. But still, I would like you to refer to a dictionary and look at the meaning of the word nimble. Okay, fine. This topic is over. Need for strategic management hospitals. Let's finish the class. Take care. Bye.